Okay, so at the end of the year, you're going to need to change your Remind class and get rid of all the parents that are on there. But to save the next teacher all the hassle of trying to add all of the parents, I found a way that we can kind of transfer the class across, and then it's very easy to remove individual parents or add new ones. But if the whole class moves up as a whole, it saves the new teacher having to add all of the parents one by one or remind everyone to join. Obviously, year 6, all you're going to have to do is delete your class. So that's really simple. To delete your class is just really for year 6. If you swipe towards the left hand where you can see your class, I've got 2. I've got demo class, which I'm going to use for today, and then I've got my class year 4B. If on my demo class I swipe to the left, I've got to remove, and I can just remove that class. So year 6, that's all you need to do. For everyone else, what you need to do is have a chat with the person who you're handing your class over to, and make sure they have a reminder account, and you need to get them to first of all join your current class. So my current class is my demo class, which in the messages looks like this. At the very top of my screen, towards the left of where it says demo class, there's a backwards arrow. If I tap that backwards arrow, I've got a choice of either messages or people, and I've also got the title of my class. So here it's demo class at the top of the screen. If I click that demo class at the top of the screen, it takes me into the class settings, and there I can see the name of my class, which is demo class. I can see the code at demo test co. That's the code that the teacher needs in order to add themselves to your class. So at the moment you're just adding yourself as a parent really, or to the class. So if on their Remind account they go to join a new class and type in that code, and they'll join your class. When they've done that, you can add them as a class owner. So I'm on the same page now. So can you see under where your class code is, it says class owners. Currently it's just got me, Mrs. Baldwin, but there's the option to add a class owner. If I tap add a class owner, and then you'll see everyone who's in your class. So be careful not to add one of your parents by mistake, but find the teacher that you're passing on to next term. So for now I'm going to add, Mrs. Baldwin. And once I've tapped the name of the new teacher, can you see you get a little blue tick to the right hand of the screen? Above that, click add. And it's asking you, sure you want to add them as a class owner? Yes, I do. So I tap add. And now I can see under class owners, I've got two Mrs. Baldwins. Okay. If I then scroll down that screen a little bit, I've got the option to remove me as class owner. So if I tap that button, remove me as class owner, it'll say, you're absolutely sure? Yes, I am. What that will have done now is transferred that class right across to the other teacher. And what you'll find they can do, if you go into the class, I'm just going into year 4B at the moment, where it says name, it's currently year 4B, you can tap on that and you can change the name so they can make it whatever they need to be. Okay? Straightforward, I hope.